Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Quick and Easy. So today here we have some fun cooking by my naughty nephew Elson, and he's presenting us his own homemade pizza. So here comes the chef.
Hi, hello, good evening. Welcome back to another Chef Day Win. Today we're going to be learning how to make bread pizza. As you all know, today we're living in the pandemic and we're literally scared to buy outside food because we don't know where the coronavirus could be. So I'm just going to show you simple things what you need to make bread pizza in your house. First, obviously, you need bread. Then, second, you need ketchup. Third, you need some cheese, mozzarella. And fourth, you need some mozzarella, chicken mozzarella for doing it.
Okay, so here he starts his preparation for the pizza. So he takes some clarified butter or ghee, and he spreads it all over the plate so that the bread doesn't stick to the plate. You can also go with a baking sheet if you want instead of a plate, and then you can still use a normal plain butter also instead of clarified butter. He doesn't want to leave any corner of the plate untouched, so he's still spreading it across all over the places. Now he takes four white breads, and then he keeps the white breads in the plate, and he tries to fit it in such a way, either vertically or horizontally, such that the bread pieces stay within the plate and it doesn't comes out of the plate. So now he is done with placing the bread. So we'll see what is the next step that the chef is going to do with the breads. Okay, so he has taken some ketchup that is available, and then I think he's trying to spread it over the bread like a pizza base sauce or something like that. So you can replace it with either a chili sauce, a pizza sauce if you have, or a ketchup, anything that is available in your home. So I think he's just making dots all over the bread, and later I think he'll be spreading it across all the breads. So we'll wait for the chef and see what he's up to. Okay, so he is now spreading the ketchup across the breads so that it fills the base. So he is ready with the pizza base now. So once he spreads the ketchup all over the bread, then I think he'll be moving into his next step. So the toppings for the bread, and let's see what is the toppings that you are going to put on the bread now for the pizza. Okay, so the chef has taken mozzarella cheese now. I think he's going to spread it across the bread base. Oh no, the chef is still not satisfied with the arrangement of the base, so he's rearranging it. So whatever the chef does, it is to make the a recipe neat and good. So let's wait for him to prepare the base. Okay, so now he is spreading the cheese across. So it's going to be a cheesy pizza. He's spreading more and more cheese all over the base. So he's still not satisfied. He still wants still more cheese. Cheese and cheese. He's adding cheese all over the base. Yep, it's going to be a really a cheesy pizza. So now the chef is adding some chicken topping to the pizza, and he has added a few of the chicken ham, and he wants to add a little more of the ham. So he's taking it another piece, and then I think he's going to slice it and then add it to the pizza. He has taken a piece, and I'm not sure whether he's going to place it over. Yeah, he's slicing it here. So lengthwise he's cutting it, and then I think he's going to add it on top of the pizza. Okay, so again he's cutting it into slices so that he can spread it all over the pizza base. Okay, so I think the chef is done with the pizza base and he's ready to bake it. No, he's still adding some oregano on top of it to make it flavorful. So he's sprinkling the oregano over the pizza, a bit of oregano, dried oregano leaves. So yes, he's done with it, and then here comes, so he's putting it inside the oven, and so let's wait until the pizza is baked.
You'll be a good chef, ma. You me.
The pizza is done and it is taken out of the oven. See here, the cheese has melted all over and it is covered completely. It's really a cheesy chicken pizza homemade by the kid. So you can also help your kids and keep them engaged in this lockdown. Hope you all liked it, and please share your comments. And thanks to Chef Elson from Dubai who has sent me this video. And see you all in yet another quick and easy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Sorry if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Please do subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.